For this cane, you start first by making a Skinner blend, and I will make one with yellow and green because that's very leafy, but you can practically make it with any colors. It's up to your imagination, and it depends on what you're going to use the cane on. So if you want to know more about Skinner blend, please watch my tutorial on that. So I made my Skinner blend, and now I will make it into a jelly roll. So I am going to pass it through the pasta machine in length, and then I'm going to cut it in length again. Then stack the two pieces, careful to put the color on color, and then go with it again through the pasta machine on the thinnest setting. And then I will just start rolling it with the yellow in the center. So I will start from the yellow end, and I am just rolling it. That is all I am doing, making sure that and trying not to trap any air. And once I do my jelly roll, because this is how it's called, the jelly roll, I'm going to squeeze a little bit from the middle towards the ends, and then I'm going to flatten it with my acrylic block. But the squeezing is to eliminate any air pockets that might have been trapped when you rolled the clay. The idea is that I need a very stocky jelly roll. Actually, this is called a plug. Once I get that, I will make 3 cuts approximately at equal distances, and then taking another color of clay. In this case I just took black on the thinnest setting. Place a sheet of the darker, and it doesn't really have to be darker, any other color that would be contrasting with your jelly roll. Place a sheet of that other color between your slices. And you notice that I lift the piece with the sheet with my blade, because that way you know that you lift it exactly perfectly in place and it will not move. Then once you have placed all your pieces of other color clay between your slices, get another piece of clay and cut on a diagonal. So not perpendicular on those slices, but on a diagonal. And then place another piece of that other color clay between the 2 halves. Now turn upside down one of the halves and then put them together. All you have to do now is to wrap the whole in another sheet of that other color, again on the thinnest setting. And when you roll it at the end, you will notice that roll a little bit past and then unwrap it, and you will see a little line that shows you exactly where to cut. Cut and blend the ends nicely, and then start reducing. You always reduce by pressing, squeezing from the middle towards the ends. And then you can roll it. Always when you roll a round cane, never roll with your fingers because you will leave grooves. Always roll with the palm of your hand, and then you can start rolling with your fingers to widen it. And there we go. You can shape a little bit your slice after you cut it, because it's easier to reduce a cane when it's round than when it's tear shaped. But there you go, here's your first leaf. Happy claying!